Hello and welcome to Amazon Business Shop Like a Pro. I'm your host, Bill Sinise, here today to tell you how you can make your bulk purchasing easier and more cost-effective with Amazon Business. Whether you're ordering 50 units or 5,000, managing one location or dozens, Amazon Business has the tools to simplify your bulk buying process. In the next few minutes, you'll learn about 3 powerful approaches to bulk purchasing that can save you time, money, and administrative headaches. Before we dive into those 3 approaches, let's talk for just a moment about what a bulk purchase is. On Amazon Business, bulk purchasing can be as simple as buying more than one of a given item. That's right, we have discounts that start as low as just 2 units of some items. In addition, bulk purchasing can be as large as thousands of the same item, and we have tools that will help you make sure that you get the best price when buying in very large quantities. Bulk purchasing can also involve the buying of multiple different items and shipping those to various locations across your organization. So whether you need to buy a few items, a whole lot of items, or just need to ship items to multiple locations, Amazon Business has the right tools for you. When you want to leverage preloaded bulk pricing, just go ahead and navigate to an item page on Amazon Business. Look for that Buy More, Save More section, and you'll see different discount tiers preloaded on the page. To access those discounts, simply go here into the quantity selector and click into the box. You'll then see different quantities with different discount levels available. For example, on this item, 2 or more would unlock a 25% discount, 5 or more, 26%, or for 100 or more units, you'll unlock 29% savings on this item. Simply enter that quantity into the quantity box and then add it to your cart. When you do so, you'll see that quantity will be loaded into your cart. And once in your cart, you can verify that your price per unit is that discounted price that you were shown on the item page. Simply submit your order and you'll receive that discounted price on your bulk purchase. For larger bulk orders, you can leverage our Request a Quote tool, which lets you tell us exactly the quantity that you need and the price point that you'd like to pay for that particular item. On the site, you would do that by navigating to the item page for the item that you're looking for, and then selecting the Request for Quote button right there beneath the Add to Cart button. When you click the Request for Quote button, you'll be brought into the Request a Quote screen where you can enter your expected purchase date, when you'd like the item delivered, and the zip code to which you need that item delivered. Then, down here in the bottom section, you can tell us the quantity that you're looking to purchase and name the price that you'd like to pay for this particular item. Once you've entered the details, you can then simply click on the Request a Quote button down here at the bottom, and your quote will be in the system waiting for our sellers to get back to you, letting you know if they can provide the quantity requested and or the price point that you've asked for. Once you've requested a quote, you can go up here to the main drop-down menu and click on Manage Quotes to find any quotes that you have requested. On the Manage Quotes screen, you'll see those quotes available for you to choose, and you can go ahead and select the one that you'd like to make a purchase on, view it, verify that the details are correct, that you are receiving the price point that you were hoping for, the quantity that you needed, and then you can add that quantity to your cart with a single click, knowing that you're getting the price that you negotiated, and then you're able to check out with the same experience that you would expect on Amazon Business. Lastly, with the Ship to Multiple Addresses feature, you can easily add multiple items to your cart and ship them to different addresses. To do that, just add the different items to your cart and then proceed to checkout. Once in the checkout screen, go ahead and enter any required information in the group and business order information fields. And once you arrive in the Delivering To section, go ahead and click on Deliver to Multiple Addresses. That will bring you into the Ship to Multiple Addresses screen. From this screen, you can then choose which items you'd like to ship to multiple addresses. Click that button below the given item, and then select the different addresses that you'd like to ship to, as well as the quantities that you'd like to ship to each location. So if you want to ship one item to 3 different locations, simply click that button again, and you'll see that you now have 3 different options of where you want to ship that same item to. You can adjust the quantities to make sure that the right quantity goes to the right location. And if you wanted to ship all of a single item to a single location, you can do that from this screen as well. Once you have selected the item quantities and locations that you want to ship to, just go ahead, click continue, and then carry on with the checkout process like you would with any other purchase. Buying in bulk on Amazon Business is a great way to ensure that you're getting the best price, the best experience, and saving time and energy on your large purchase needs. All of these tools are going to help make your next purchase faster, easier, and more efficient. I'm Bill Sinise, and I look forward to catching you on the next episode.